Hello and welcome to the Car Kernel channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you what is the most important hybrid maintenance on your new 2021 Toyota Sienna Hybrid, which is the fan filter for the hybrid battery. It is the most important maintenance on your Sienna, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to service it and maintain it so you will prolong the life of your hybrid battery. But before we get started, if you're new to the channel, welcome. Consider subscribing to the channel. Check out some of my other videos. If you're a returning subscriber, well, thank you so much for watching another one of my videos. And without further ado, let's get to work. So a small overview before we get started. In case you didn't know this, the hybrid battery on the Toyota Sienna resides under the front seats. It just sits long way. That's why you notice the seats sit a little bit high, and it has two fans and two filters, one on the passenger side, one on the driver's side. Now, people always ask me, how often should we do the service? And there's no one answer for this. It depends on your use. Usually I tell you in other hybrids, if you don't use the back seat, this is not going to be often. But in the case of the Sienna, it is in the front, so you're going to want to check this between 1 month and 3 months, especially the driver's side one, because that one will get all kinds of use from you driving the car, getting in and out of the car. So this is very important, and it's very simple. And even if you're not a mechanic, you're not even a DIY mechanic, I highly encourage you to do this service yourself. You'll save yourself a lot of money, both in paying a mechanic like myself to fix it, or worst case scenario down the road, having issues with the battery overheating. Having said that, let's go walk you through the procedure. So we're working on the driver's side. You notice the seat controls right here. Just reference for a location, it's right underneath the seat. You're going to want to take this clip out, and for that you need a flathead screwdriver or a small Phillips. A flathead works too. You're going to hold the outside of the clip and turn the inside. Once you get it out enough, you're just going to pull the whole clip out. Here's how that clip looks like up close. After the clip is gone, you're going to grab the top and then walk your hand across just like this, pop this, and then pull up. Here's how the filter looks like. You're going to undo this tab right here first, and then the whole filter comes out. Now, I will leave the part number for this filter. You can clean it, you can replace it as you wish. Now, this is a brand new car that we're working on, so the filter is very clean. I'm not going to clean it in front of you, but let's talk about installation. If you took this, I recommend that you remove this filter and clean it outside, not in the grate. Clean the grate as well. But here's how that goes. I want you to see these two tabs right here. Find the opening on the filter. Install these tabs first. Install the filter inside these tabs first, just like so. Then go to the other side and clip the filter into this, just like so. Now your filter is ready. On the door of the filter, I want you to note this tab and this tab. You're going to install those first. You're going to line up these tabs, and they can be a little bit difficult because your trim is in the way. But first, align these and then push this side on. This only has a clip, and then reinstall your clip. By the way, folks, if this clip breaks, they're very common, they're very cheap. This is actually shared with a lot of hybrid models, so it's readily available. Just don't sweat if it breaks. Just get a new one and be done. And let's move on to the other side, which is exactly the same, just in the other side. Let's do the other side, pretty much the same thing. Take the clip out. Pop the door, and here it goes. It's the exact same thing on the filter. When you take it out, take this side first, then this side, clip this side first, then back here. Same deal with the two tabs. You're going to engage the tabs first, and then put your door back. And put the clip, and you're done. So there you have it, folks. This was super simple. I highly encourage you to do it yourself. Don't take it to a mechanic for this. If you really feel uncomfortable with this, you're welcome to take it to a mechanic, of course, but I did this video I am the mechanic who's going to be doing this service, and I'm telling you, this is extremely simple, and I wish you would save your money and do it yourself, and that way you can do it a lot more often, and you'll never have a problem with the battery. Folks, this is the #1 cause for hybrid battery failure, is when these things get clogged, and now you have no ventilation. And this is especially true for folks that live in hot weathers, Arizona, down south, somewhere where it's really hot. This is the #1 maintenance that you should be doing. Alongside this maintenance, if you live in, as a bonus tip on this video, if you live in a hot climate, you're going to want to use the AC all the time when you're driving, especially when you park the car outside under the sun, because this battery uses the cabin air to cool the battery. So you're going to want air-conditioned air around here, and you're going to want clean filters so everything will flow and the battery can maintain its cooling system well, and it'll never give you problems. A hot battery is not a happy battery, and that's how the batteries start failing, in case you just bought one and you're worried about this. I hope this video is helpful or informative. If you like it, consider giving it a thumbs up. If you're not a subscriber, consider subscribing to the channel. Check out some of my other videos, and until the next video, guys, may the Lord bless you and keep you, and you have a wonderful day.